Assalamu alaikum again. This event is being live streamed on Facebook as well. So just set that up. Before we start, I just have a request to all the participants to keep your videos off and to keep yourself on mute. और जो हमारे students हैं, उनको kind request है कि जो भी questions हो वो chat करके send करें. Do not unmute yourself and ask questions over your mic. Thank you. First of all, शुरू करते हैं by welcoming you all to the FinEd. And the FinEd was formed to make financial education accessible to everyone. And how did we aim to achieve this? Well, we set up 3 objectives to set up interactive sessions, which are highly flexible so that wherever you are, you can attend our classes, whether you're at home, and obviously we are using an online platform to deliver our classes, as well as focus groups. Well, sometimes in the classroom, your voice does not get heard. Why? Because sometimes there are a lot of students. Even when you're in online classes, a lot of you have experienced that the teacher does not give you personalized attention. So the FinEd is trying to change that. How? By offering small-sized focused groups classes so that we can pay individual attention to your needs and your questions. What is on the agenda today? We're going to be introducing multiple topics, starting off with an introduction to the foundation diploma, then an introduction to the ACCA exam, asking ourselves a very common question, which my students have asked me, and I've seen across many student boards: is ACCA difficult? And also, as an ACCA student, can you achieve additional qualifications? Yes, you can. More about that later on. How do you journey from being an affiliate to a member? ये journey कैसे होती है? क्या steps follow करने होते हैं? ये भी discussion होगी. साथ के साथ एक common myth है कि ACCA पाकिस्तान कोई scope नहीं है पाकिस्तान में. Sorry, in Pakistan. सिर्फ CACA ही है. बहुत students ये इस misconception से कोशिश करते हैं सबसे पूछने के लिए, but it's a clear myth and it's not true, and we're going to address that and say this is not clearly the case. And then what further options do you have जब आपने ACCA finish की है? What can you do to further enhance your professional qualification? ICAW के through इसको discuss करेंगे. Then we're going to have a short discussion on career navigation, what the scopes and the prospects are for you as an ACCA affiliate halfway through the exams, and once you've finished your ACCA exams, not only in Pakistan, but abroad as well. We're going to end this webinar with a Q&A session, and this is your chance to ask all your questions, again, I repeat, on chat. For anyone who's joined into our session, I would request to keep your mics and your videos off and ask any questions in the chat box and we'll attend to them. Thank you.